Hey, Chenda, are you free right now? I thought we could review for the math test together.
Oh, hi, Chantha. Yeah, I've got some time. I was actually just reviewing some notes, but I'm getting kind of stuck. Studying together sounds like a good idea.
Great. I brought my workbook. Which part are you stuck on?
That part about quadratic equations. I get confused when they add in the word problems. Like, how do you even know what values to assign?
Yeah, I struggled with that too. My trick is to always write down what's being asked, then assign letters to the unknowns, like X for the number or time or whatever they're asking for.
That makes sense. I guess I rush too fast and try to solve it before I understand it. Maybe I should slow down.
Exactly. Understanding the question is half the battle. Want to try solving one together?
Sure. Let me grab my notebook. Okay, here's one. A rectangular garden has a length that is 3 meters more than twice the width. If the area is 99 square meters, find the dimensions.
All right. Let's let W be the width. Then the length is 2W plus 3.
So the equation would be W 2W plus 3 equals 99, right?
Yes. Expand it. 2W squared plus 3W equals 99. Then move the 99 over. 2W squared plus 3W minus 99 equals 0.
Now I see. Then we can use the quadratic formula.
Yep. Do you want to do that part?
Sure. Okay. A equals 2, B equals 3, C equals negative 99. Then the formula is negative b plus or minus square root of b squared minus 4ac divided 2a. Let me calculate. Square root of 9 plus 792 equals square root of 801. Okay, maybe this one has weird roots.
Yeah, we might get decimals, but it's okay. The process is more important.
You get something like that. True. Wow, studying with you is so much better than doing it alone.
Haha, thanks. I feel the same. We should do this more often, maybe before every big test.
Yes, totally. Speaking of tests, are you ready for the English essay on Friday?
Ugh, don't remind me. I still haven't decided on my topic. You?
I'm thinking of writing about the effects of social media on teenagers. What about you?
I was leaning toward the importance of reading books in a digital age. What do you think?
That's a good one. You read a lot, so you'll have strong opinions.
Thanks. I just need to start writing early this time. Last time, I waited until the night before.
Haha, same. Let's make a deal. We start writing tomorrow, just 15 minutes even.
Deal. And we can check each other's drafts too.
Perfect. I feel more motivated now. Studying doesn't seem so bad when you're doing it with a friend.
Agreed. Want to meet again tomorrow after school?
Sure. Same place?
Yep, library it is. Good luck finishing your review today.
Thanks. You too, Chantha. Let's crush these tests.